Police files unlocked. Tonight, the amazing anti-theft device that smokes out would-be robbers.
You're about to see two bank robbers get one hell of a shot. Suddenly, they can't see a thing. They may as well be wearing blindfolds, so they're out of there. And that's exactly the reaction the bank wanted. What you're watching is called a smoke cloak, and it's just been triggered by the bank teller. It's so thick the bad guys can't see anything or do anything. The smoke's harmful, but it can fill a large room in just 30 seconds. This great anti-theft device was designed in the UK, but now it's come to Australia. Just check out this bottle shop in Melbourne. That smoke cloak's just been triggered by a remote sensor. See how the smoke machine's installed near the counter? When it goes off, the smoke forces the bad guys away from the money or the people, so they can't rob the till or threaten shop assistants and tellers. Instead, the thieves are driven straight out the door where they belong.
Police files unlocked.